Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Green Bitcoin Wallet for cold storage. Using Green Bitcoin Wallet for cold storage involves setting up a wallet that allows you to store your Bitcoin offline, keeping your private key out of reach of hackers and online threats. First, set up cold storage wallet in an offline device. Install the Green Bitcoin Wallet application on an offline device. Make sure that this device is not connected to the internet. Open the application and then create a new wallet. Write down the recovery phrase on a paper and store it in a safe place. Complete the wallet setup and be sure that the device remains offline at all times. You can generate extended public key for Watch Only Wallet. On the offline device, go to your settings or wallet management in the Green application. Find the option to export or view extended public key. Write down the extended public key or use QR code to transfer it securely to an online device. Now, open the Green Bitcoin wallet on the online device and go to the wallet management. Here, click on Set up a new wallet and click on Get Started. After that, click on Watch Only button. Here, you need to type in the extended public key from your cold storage wallet. Give the Watch Only wallet a name and complete the setup. Now you can monitor your cold storage wallet balance and transaction on this online device without having access to the private key, keeping the wallet secure. You need to keep the offline device in a secure offline environment. Store the recovery phrase in a physical location that is both secure and easy for you to access in case you need to recover the wallet. You can ensure that the device with private key remains disconnected from the internet to maintain its cold storage status. Some of the benefits of using cold storage is that private keys are kept offline, preventing any exposure to online threats like hackers or malware. You can easily monitor transaction and balance using extended public key in the connected device. Green allows you to secure signed transaction using offline and online device without compromising the cold storage. So that is how you can use Green Bitcoin Wallet for cold storage. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.